What's up, beautiful babes? Welcome back into the channel. It's your girl, Sweet Angel. Today it's time to do my manicure and pedicure right here at home. Let's take it from fugly to fab. Yes, that's right. I'm starting with these ugly feet. Y'all know how we do it. The feet has to go first, honey. I'm just taking my Make Art drill and going around the cuticle area on my toes. That's right, getting rid of the dead skin. You know how the cuticle grows up around there. You really have to keep that area clean. Definitely do. And this is the one way I like to do this. I use a smaller drill bit to get around that cuticle and edges and just take my time. Now this particular drill bit is not, really pointy or anything, so it safely removes all of the dead skin and gets that cuticle area pretty neat and orderly. Now I'm moving on to doing the same thing for my fingernails, going around the cuticle area on my fingers and again pushing back the cuticle, cleaning out the dead skin. I love to make sure that all of that is looking good. I'm so glad I can do this myself. You do have to take a little bit of time out to do it, but of course, the same thing applies if you're going to the nail salon. Now, keep in mind that I do my very best to list all of the items that I'm using in the videos in the description box. So make sure you take time out to look under the video and get all that great detail that I've taken time out to place in there for you. It will also have any links that's related to where you can buy these products online. Now here I'm taking my buffer. This buffer, I did get these particular ones from Amazon. They work so well to buff away all of the residue on top of the nails. That can be old nail polish, just the layers that build up on your toenails. Y'all know the feet take a beating. And now just clipping away the overgrowth of nail and getting them all shaped up. Takes a little bit of time, but honey, it's well worth it. And make those feet look as cute as you can. Now, when you got ugly feet like mine, you got to do everything you can. I work on these things regularly, okay? Now, I've been doing this. I've been really doing my mani and pedis throughout my, life, since teenager time. So, to do this is just a normal piece of my, routine. But I know that a lot of people just don't want to take the time out themselves or feel that it's, more feasible to go to the nail salon. I understand. If that's what you got to do, honey, you do that. Now I'm taking my famous cuticle and, oil. It's really like a moisturizing oil as well, but it is definitely good for the cuticles and nails to help nourish them. Now this Essie polish, I don't know the name of it right off the top of my head because I don't have my glasses on right now, but this is a cute color that I've been loving and eyeballing for a minute. So I'm using this pink on my toenails and I'll have the name of it listed right here for you to check out. But it is so cute. This is not a gel polish. This is a regular polish that I'm using on my toes. Now I don't use acrylic or gel polish on my toes. I like to go ahead and make sure I can easily remove those because y'all know this girl with these thick thighs can't be struggling too much. I can't be struggling too much trying to get the nail polish off the toes. Now moving right along, we're going on to the fingernails. I do have gel polish on my nails. So first I'm going to soak them in 100% pure acetone. This will help kind of loosen up that top layer, top coat on there. And then I move on from there and I go ahead and use my drill, that Make Art drill. Yes. And here on the screen, I do have an alternative way that you can soak off gel nail polish instead of using a drill. Now I just do the drill because it's just so much faster, and I try to expedite this process as quickly as possible, so the drill is excellent for that. So now that I've drilled off the other hand, I'm going ahead to the other hands, just one after the other, getting all of the gel nail polish removed from the nails. Just make sure you use a drill bit that is not too rough, just taking off that gel nail polish, and don't disturb your actual nail. So, but I love this drill. It's amazing. It works quickly, swiftly, and I can get things done and move on to something else. I'm just using a damp paper towel to catch the shavings from the gel nail polish. Now I'm just soaking a little bit more just to lift up more of the gel nail polish right now. And I'm not a nail tech, never went to school for it, but just watching others do it, watching videos, that's when I decided that, hey, I know I can do it myself. And of course, Maddie, she started saying, hey, I want to get my own stuff and do my own nails, blah, blah, blah. So, hey, we just both fell in line, and this is what we do. Not saying that I'll never go back to the nail salon, but right now I'm enjoying doing it myself. Now right now I was just buffing off the additional nail polish that was left, and I'm taking just a finer drill bit now just to pop off just the rest of it, and this will pretty much take care of all that I needed to get off. It was storming outside, and then the lights went out.
There you go. It's done now. Well, the power just went out, y'all. So I can't finish. But I'll see y'all on the next one.
Well, we got lucky. It took only a matter of maybe no more than 5 minutes, and the power came back on. So I got right back to it. I'm so glad. I really didn't want to stop this process. Now, using my Cuticle Moisturizing Oil and soaking my hands with this, you know, when you do your nails and you're using acetone and buffing your nails, you deplete a lot of the oils from your nails. So I make sure I massage it in really well, and that helps bring them back to life there. So I finished that task, and now I'm just taking my cuticle pusher and pushing the cuticles back. Now it's time to polish. Yes, I'm going to be using today Kiara Sky, this pretty bubblegum pink. I love that. And the top coat and the base coat, I will have the information listed below, but I did a full gel set on here on my channel and showed you that. So this is me now using my famous Avon lotion. Y'all know I love the moisture therapy. Now I'm taking a nail file that has like a smoother grain on it so that I can go ahead and make sure any little edges that need to be smoothed out are taken care of. And I think this thing came in some kind of a nail kit. I'm not sure where Maddie got that one from. Now I'm applying the base coat. This is the gray ear base coat. I do have a full kit with about 5 or 6 nail polishes. I believe it's 6 nail polishes, base coat, and the top coat that came in the kit, and I'm using that. Lucky Find sent me this one to do a review on, and I've been loving the base coat. Each time I've been using it, I really do like it a lot. That link will be below to Lucky Find's website. Now I'm using my UV LED lamp to cure the base coat. I do this after each application of the gel polish, so make sure you do that. And now it's time to polish. That's what I love about gel polish. You know, you don't have to worry about drying time and all of that. You just cure one layer, put on another layer, cure that layer, and you're done. You don't have to worry about drying time, and that's the convenience of it. And people ask, why would I want to use that? That's the reason. You don't have to sit and wait, and your manicure stays done for, I mean, really up to a couple of weeks. It really can last that long, except for, you know, it's going to grow out from your nail bed. You know, it's just time to get them redone at that point. But just cure this for like 30 seconds and you're done. And now I'm applying the second layer. Yes, just applying it on top of that one, and then I'll proceed on to curing the second layer. It's a very simple process, but you know, you got to be patient. Take your time. another 30 seconds here. And I really wanted to make sure that I had a good foundation on my nails. Now, you know, I didn't have any acrylic on. These are my natural nails. So I wanted to make sure that, you know, I had a little bit of thickness on there, which this gel actually does give my nails some support so they won't break. So I actually applied 3 layers of the gel nail polish, and then I applied, of course, the base coat, and now I am applying the top coat. This top coat is from the same kit I got the base coat from, so I really like it. It's pretty thick, and again, I like the stability the gel nail polish gives to my natural nails. Very, very helpful in making sure, you know, breakage is less likely. So I am loving that as well. So now I'm just curing that. Now, after you complete putting on the top coat, what you have to do is use alcohol. I only have 91% alcohol, but it recommends 95% alcohol to actually set it all in place. And there we go, both hands done. And I love the way they look, and I love that color of that pink. It's so pretty, so gorgeous. And y'all, that's it. If you enjoyed today's video, please make sure you drop a like on this video, comment, drop me some hearts in the comment section. You know I love that. And beautiful babes, don't keep this channel a secret either. Make sure you tell everybody, and please share me with your world. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.